Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M52 5G to Realme device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones. Then you need to click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. From here you need to download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Here we need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do the same on Samsung. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then choose receive on Realme and send on Samsung. Now tap on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo. Choose send and click on got it. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Realme, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into, for example, Files app, click Browse in the middle, tap on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!